What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, and in today's video I'm going to be covering the stages of your money journey. Now when it comes to making money, we all have a different path, from when we're young to when we grow old, from when we're poor, when we don't have a lot of money, to when we're older, we're richer, we're wealthier, and we're financially abundant. So I'm going to break them down into 5 different stages today. I'm going to go over them in depth, explain what part of your journey you might be at, explain what each part of the journey consists of, and hopefully by the end of the video you'll be a lot more alert, a lot more understanding of what exactly you need to do on your path to becoming wealthy. So before we get into the stages of your money journey today, I first want to say, make sure that you guys are leaving a like on these videos. That is the beginning of your money journey. Without liking these videos, you're not on the right path to making your money. Added to that, I need you guys to comment on these videos. Let me know what you want to see in the comments below. Let me know what you thought of the video in the comments below. Also, let's share these videos with our friends, get them out to more people. And if you're new around here, make sure to hit that red button below and subscribe. So now, let's talk about your money journey. Well, the first stage of your money journey is obviously making money. This is the simplest part. This is the easiest part. And it's the most important part. Your journey to financial freedom cannot start unless you make money. So this is the easy part. Making money can come in many different forms. It can come from you picking up a small job, at the age of 16, 17, 18. It can come from you getting a 9 to 5 after you finish college. It can come from various different forms. So for example, you might be 18 years old. You might just have finished high school. You're looking to go into college. But you need to start making money because you want to pay for college or you want to pay for nice things. You start making money by working at McDonald's, working at a restaurant, working at a bar, doing different things like that. Of course, we all need to make money because at some point or another, we're going to need to pay for stuff in our life so we can live. Whether that's basic needs like food, shelter, drink, or whether that's luxuries like having a car, going on vacation, doing fun things with our friends, going to the movies, enjoying ourselves, socializing. Things cost money, so we all understand we need to make money. That's the first stage of your money journey, making money. For those of you who are younger, maybe 14 years old, 15 years old, you might do small stuff like, a part-time job, working at a restaurant, maybe doing a newspaper round. For some of you, it might be something different, washing cars, cleaning windows, walking dogs. There are many different things you can do to just make a bit of money. So first stage of your money journey is making money. Without making money, you can do all the right stuff, you can say all the right things, but if you're not making any money, you can't even start your money journey. There's a reason it's called a money journey, because you start by making money. The second step is saving money. Once you do this, once you learn to do this, you can then start looking at the other steps. But like I said, making money is easy, but saving money, I think this is a lot tougher. So for those of you who make a little bit of money, start off small when it comes to saving money. Save just a little bit, maybe 10% of each paycheck, maybe 10% of your yearly salary. Just save a little bit. And the reason I say this is because you're going to need it at some point. And to continue with the rest of the stages in this journey, you're going to definitely need it. So you've made your money, you've done stage 1. Now you need to move on to stage 2 where you start saving that money. You save that money, you put a bit to the side. You just leave it in your bank account. You leave it to your side. For some of you, saving money might even mean, stacking cash under your bed. I would not advise that, but for some of you, that might be the case. Saving money is just as important as making money, if not more important. Because you can make all the money in the world, like I talked about in yesterday's video. But if you're not saving any money, then what are you really doing? You're just running yourself into the ground. There's a reason that people live paycheck to paycheck. And one of the main reasons is because they cannot save money. So once you learn to start saving money, you can then move on to the next steps. But for those of you who don't understand how to save money or what you can do to save money, I'll tell you this. Let's say you make $200 a week. Start by thinking you're only making $185 a week. You're keeping $15 to the side. You're saving that $15. No matter what, you're not touch that. Trust me, if you think this way, it's a lot easier to live off $185 knowing that you've got $15 to the side than thinking to yourself, I'm going to live off $200, but I'm going to make sure that I save $15. It's the mental game of it. So if you didn't understand what I said, I'm pretty much saying, don't think to yourself, I'm making $200 a month and I'll save some. Think to yourself, I'm making $185 and I'll save some. What you're going to realize is you start to save that $15 to the side, and anything you save on top of that from the $185, it's just a bonus. So a good way to start saving money, like I said, is to start thinking that you're earning less than you actually are. Trust me, this is a trick I've tried before. This is a trick I still use to today. So trust me when I say use this trick to make your life easier. And when you've conquered that and developed the habit of saving money, you can then move on to step number 3, which is investing your money. So stage number 3, investing your money is all about putting your money into cash flowing assets, putting your money into stocks, putting your money into bonds, putting your money into real estate, putting your money into things which are going to bring you back money. As you guys know, I have a smartwatch brand, Tango Watches. Go check that out. Link is in the description. But I can purchase inventory. That's an investment. Why? Because I'm going to obviously sell that inventory for more. I can put money into advertising because the aim is to bring back money from those adverts. Investing money may come in many different forms for all of you. You guys may be doing different things to me, I may be doing different things to you. We're all different, so the way we invest our money is different. Even if we look at real estate, for example, we all invest in real estate. Well, you could be a wholesaler, you could be investing in bandit signs, investing in real estate events. I could be a rental property owner. I could be investing my money into the properties, putting down payments to get a rental property, using my money to purchase properties, using my money for different things. Like I said, the way everyone invests money is different. Some of you put money into things which are going to bring you a huge return on your investment. Some of you put money into things which are going to bring you small returns on your investment continuously. Another good example of that is real estate. For example, I may buy houses for 40k, put 30k into them and sell them for 150k. You might buy houses for 70k, put 10k into them and sell them for 100k. Which one is bigger? Obviously the first option. But then again, there are different people. People like to do different things. I might go and buy a property and start renting it out. Other people might prefer to buy an apartment complex. Other people may prefer to buy 10 properties and have, to manage 10 different roofs at the same time. So it doesn't matter how you choose to invest your money, but the important thing about stage 3 is that you actually do invest your money. And for those of you who think to yourself, well, I can't afford a 70k house. You don't need to afford a 70k house. Trust me, you go and start just investing in stocks. Go and get an app like Robinhood or Webull. Get something which you don't have to pay high commission on. Get something where you can start with as little as $100. And also, by the way, on the subject of Robinhood, I just want to touch on that. Link is in the description as well. If you have not signed up to Robinhood, go and do that right now. You both get a free stock. So feel free to use my link in the description and we can both get a free stock to get you started on Robinhood. Once you learn to start putting your money into investments, once you learn to start investing your money into cash flow and assets, you're going to see you'll start accumulating that wealth that you've always dreamed of. For those of you who don't understand why it's important to invest, well, think of those rappers and famous people that you guys hear of that go broke. You probably think to yourself, how can you be a millionaire and go broke? Well, they get all their money, they use all that money, and they don't have anything left. Some of them even actually conquered stage 1 and stage 2, made a lot of money, saved money, but then they start to lose the money and they start to take money out of their savings and start spending it. They've got nothing left. On the other hand, there are people who earn a lot less money, but they're richer, they're more wealthy because they invest their money. They put their money into cash flowing assets. If you've got your money in assets, doesn't matter how much inflation goes up or down, it won't affect you as much as putting your money, just leaving it in savings, putting your money to the side. Once you start investing, you're going to learn that it's a lot easier to become financially stable. The wealthy people, the real estate owners, the big businessmen, they all invest their money. Again, it doesn't matter if that's in stocks, in real estate, in businesses, wherever they choose to invest their money, it helps them become financially stable and they cannot stay financially stable without that investment. So, once you learn to start investing your money and conquer stage 3, you can start to move on to stage number 4, which is multiplying your money. Now, this is similar to stage number 3, but here we're talking about doubling your money, tripling your money, bringing back your money multifold. Every single thing you do with your money now, you're trying to make a lot more. Sometimes when it comes to investing, for example, you're putting your money in there for the long run, 5 years, 10 years, something you can take out, when you retire. When it comes to multiplying money, that's the here and now. So that's actively investing in real estate, for example. That's actively investing in your assets to bring you back more money quicker. So again, if I want to touch on the subject of real estate, to give you guys a good example, you put your money into properties that you flip. And what do I mean when I say flip? Well, you buy a house again for 50k, you put some money into it, you build it up, you renovate it, and you sell it on for maybe 100k within 6 months. That's multiplying your money. Multiplying your money also means maybe buying stocks, which you're trying to sell within 6 months. Purchasing stocks short term, which you're going to pull your money out after you get a 20% return within a year. Multiplying your money comes in many different forms. Multiplying your money literally means, okay, I'm running a business. I'm running ads on it. I'm making a lot of revenue. I'm not getting a lot of profit, but now I'm going to double down on those ads. I'm going to be more cost efficient. I'm going to find someone who can run those ads so I can multiply the money. There's a reason that you see businesses go from, making 1k a year to 5k a year to 10k a year to 50k a year to 100k within 6 months because they're learning how to multiply their money. They're now using their money to multiply. They're doubling it. Like I said, they're tripling it. They're increasing their assets. It's good that you save money. It's good you make money. It's good that you invest money. But after a while, you need to start multiplying your money. You're making 100k a year, you might go and find a job where you can get 120k a year. You're investing 10k, 15k per month into real estate. You want to get to the point where you're investing 30k, 40k each and every month because it's going to bring you back a lot more money in real estate. Trust me when I say, once you learn to conquer stage 4, you're going to be on the right path to gaining that wealth that you really desire. And that moves me on to step number 5, maintaining your money. Maintaining your money means that you don't go broke trying to, look rich to others. You don't go broke by spending your money on the wrong things. Maintaining your money means maintaining your wealth. Keeping your assets, bringing in cash flow. Keeping your stocks, bringing you a good return on your money. Getting a good return on your investment in whatever you use your money for. Stage 5 is simply keeping or maintaining that which you've grown from investing your assets, from multiplying your money. Now you learn to maintain your wealth. There's no good, making 170k per year from real estate and then next year you're down to 50k. That doesn't make any sense. You're still making money, but you're not maintaining your wealth. If you want to maintain your lifestyle or even increase your lifestyle, you've got to start maintaining your money, maintaining whatever level of wealth you've built up. So for those of you who like to do a lot of different things, that is good, that's fine, there's nothing wrong with that. You can own a business, you can do side hustles, you can have a 9 to 5, you can invest in different things. But you've got to maintain that money. How are you going to maintain your wealth? Find ways to maintain your wealth. Hire people, hire virtual assistants, get employees, get more people on your payroll so you can maintain your wealth. When you reach stage 5, you're obviously financially well off, but you want to keep it that way. There's no good enjoying it for just 1 or 2 years for yourself. You want to make sure that that's generational wealth you've built, that it can be passed down to your family, it can pass down to your sons, your grandsons, their grandsons. It's been created, but now it needs to be maintained. You've done all the hard work to get there. You don't want to let it drop now. You don't want to drop off now. You've covered stage 1 of making money. You learn how to save money from a young age. You learn how to invest your money. You learn how to multiply your money. Now you've made it, you need to make sure that you maintain it. So as always, I'm trying to help you guys learn more about money so you guys can become close to financial success, close to financial freedom, more control of your time, and live a better life. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you did, like I said, let me know in the comments below. I'll be interested to hear you guys' thoughts on what I talked about today. As for me, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I've gone into making, you've gone into making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.